Annyeonghaseyo, welcome to the world of exotic luxury. Today, I will show you the incredible journey of how Crocodile led
The years of patience required to raise crocodiles to maturity in a stress-free environment.
During the nesting season, mothers build protective mounds to keep their clutch safe and warm.
Every egg is precious. Our experts must collect them within hours to ensure high survival rates. It begins here, in pristine tropical waters, where the texture is developed naturally.
Every egg is precious. Our experts must collect them within hours to ensure high survival rates. Hygiene is paramount. The water is filtered constantly to prevent bacteria that could damage their delicate skin. To achieve a flawless hide, crocodiles are separated as they grow. Even a single scratch can ruin a luxury bag.
High-quality nutrition is essential for flawless skin patterns.
Every pattern is unique, like a fingerprint.
The reading stabilized right at 4.5.
That falls within the acceptable range for this batch.
We select only the skins with perfect symmetrical scale patterns.
The signature shine is achieved not by varnish, but by friction polishing with agate stones.
The agate stone burns the shine directly into the scales.
Look at how beautifully the light reflects off every scale. The suppleness of this skin is truly unmatched in the industry.
Every stitch must be perfect. There is no room for error with material this valuable.
Only the flawless pieces receive our seal of approval.
Strict international regulations govern the trade. Every single item travels with its own passport and site certification to prove ethical sourcing.
Secure and ready to roll.
From Southeast Asia to Paris, New York, and Dubai, our products fly first class.
Finally, the journey ends at the most exclusive addresses in the world.
Here, in the VIP salon, the leather is not just a product. It is a masterpiece.
It's beautiful. Oh, well, beautiful.
A journey of 3 years for a lifetime of elegance.
A journey of 3 years for a lifetime of elegance.
And that is the journey of true luxury, from the farm to your hands. Thank you for watching.